Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Briggs, and there are two states in the United States that don't observe daylight savings time, Arizona and Hawaii. Welcome to topic 3 for Unit 2. This is going to be a video on reflections. We're going to have two other videos as well. So we're really going to be following these directions here, these steps, and you can click on this GeoGebra link while you're watching this video, and that's going to take you over here. We do know that this is a reflection, but just to show you again, if we select our pen, label our pre-image an image, do our orientation C to A to T, which is counterclockwise, and D to O to G, we can see that that is a reflection because the orientation changed. So we can make that smaller. Okay, so now we want to follow these steps, and the first step says that create a segment between the pre-image point and its corresponding image. So I'm going to create a segment between C, which is the first letter, and D, which is the first letter of the second triangle. So I create that segment. Now, step 2 says create a perpendicular bisector. You can, if you want, create the two circles and then do the bisector if you want, or you can just do the perpendicular bisector tool and select this, and there you go. It'll create your perpendicular bisector. Each of the points are equidistant from that perpendicular bisector. Then we have to name this line because we don't have a graph, so we can't make an equation for it. There is already a point D, so I'm going to rename this one to E. And if at any point you need to pause this video, you can. So now we have the line BE. That's what we reflected over. And just to make sure we can reflect about a line, choose our pre-image, then the line, and it'll reflect onto it. Yay. So then looking at step 4, we write down the reflection in the correct notation. So you can go to Insert, Equation, and that'll take me to where I am currently. Reflection is a lowercase r. Then you hit Shift minus to go into the subscript. So if you're following along, R and then Shift and then the minus button next to the equal sign, and then do backslash, overline, space, and that'll give you the line that shows up over those two letters. And our line is BE. And then for part B, you can just copy this blue sentence like we did in the last sheet. Okay, so that's how you do reflections off the grid. Look out for rotations.